name is James Magarahan. I'm a senior design engineer at Borrego Energy on the pre-construction team. So. So the best way that's changed us is we can configure each site to each individual module, each individual tracker. The space between modules is huge. The amount of torque tube overhang that we have to set, all those like little these tiny parameters that are different between each tracker, each module type. We set those every time early, so we have a really accurate layout for every bid that we produce. So. Some of the best are, being able to set that PV area, set your keep out areas, and regenerate layouts over and over and over based on GCR, based on different topo keep out areas. Maybe we set a layout, we go talk to our civil team, they say, ooh, you really got to stay out of these areas. We haven't really delved into the slope analysis yet, but PVcase has the slope analysis features, civil analysis features, things that we want to get into soon. So, yeah.